Welcome. If you want to buy your fractional shares on the Bamboo app, these are the following steps to follow. Number one thing to do is to fund your wallet. Once you have opened your Bamboo app, on the dashboard you tap on add money, as you have to fund your wallet. So you select whichever your preferred funding currency and complete your deposit. So once you are done with that, go to invest at the bottom of the screen, search for the stock or the ETF you want to buy and select it from the list. So you need to initiate the trade. So after you have selected the stock you want to buy from, tap the buy button at the bottom of the stock page. Enter your amount, like input the dollar amount you want to invest. You do not need to buy a full share. Fractional investing lets you start with as little as $1 or $10. Review the trade, then tap review order to check your order details, including the dollar amounts, fees, and estimated fractional shares. Place your order, then you proceed to execute your trade. Thanks for watching. See you next time.